my kitchen, which I mean, I filmed my last video when I was sewing at the kitchen table, but you've never been in the actual cooking zone. But we are here because today we are baking. Yes! I wanted to bake a cake that looks like this. Like one of those cute little pastel minimalist cakes. And I wore my pastel shirt because of it. And I just think it's so cute. And I'm gonna write prom on it. And I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna give it to my boyfriend Sean and be like, prom? And he'll be like, you already bought me a ticket. And I'll be like, okay. But this was fun. This was cute for me. I'm doing this for me. Really, it's because I want to make a cake like this. We are in fact using store-bought a cake mix. My apologies to Gordon Ramsay. My apologies to Cake Boss. Like we're not gourmet in this household. We're just getting it done. And honestly, I'm doing this for the decoration aspect of it. And yeah, it's the super moist Party Rainbow Chip Cake Mix. There's pudding in the mix, so it should be super moist. And I'm excited for it, so let's get baking. Step 1. Heat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for shiny metal or glass pan, or 325 degrees Fahrenheit for nonstick pan. Grease bottom only of, we're using 2 8-inch shiny metal, so I will heat the oven to 350. Step 2. Mix cake mix, water, oil, and eggs in large bowl with mixer on medium speed or beat vigorously by hand 2 minutes. Pour into pan. Step 3. Bake as directed in chart or until toothpick inserted in center comes out clean. Cool 10 minutes before removing from pan. Cool completely before frosting. So, since I'm using the 2 9-inch rounds, it'll be 24 to 29 minutes. Cool. Okay, so I realized that my phone wasn't actually filming, but here is the initial spread. I'm gonna wipe off the bottom and make it look neater, but I'm going to take the icing I have left and I'm gonna divide it up. I'm gonna add food coloring and I'm gonna make a bunch of different colors and then I'm gonna smear it around, make it all look pretty, and maybe probably pipe a little bit around the edge depending on how much icing I have. But yeah, it exists. It'll get better.
First and second grade were fun. Third through fifth's a blur, we're done. Elementary school was gone. My life kept going on and on. Middle school, I made new friends. could go back there when we just dance and sing. I wish we were just kindergarten kids.
So I'm gonna take the little that I have left and stick it in this piping bag, all three of the colors, so that they'll kind of like mix together. We'll see how much I have left. So I want to go in and pipe around the bottom like the picture had, but I don't know if we'll have enough. We'll see what happens. It'll be a good time. It'll be a good time. I start over here when it's bare. So I didn't get it all the way around. There's that much left. But I'm thinking maybe that'll just be the back. Like when I hand it to him like that'll be the back. I think it works. Anyways, I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna buy like piping icing so that I can write prom over the top. But overall, like obviously it looks nowhere near as good as like my reference photo, but like it looks pretty. Like it's pretty. Yeah. So done for the day. I'll see you guys soon. Okay, yay, fun fact. Actually, I lied. We're not done. Because Heather, my mom, came in clutch, pulling out the rich and creamy icing frosting that we had in the fridge. So, basically, why am I doing that with my head? So, I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna finish up the rim. And then I'll even have enough where I could pipe in prom, question mark. So, yeah, basically, mwah. So excited. Thank you. Thank you, Mom, for remembering that. And yeah, so let me do that. It's definitely a different color. They definitely showed up a lot brighter in the true white icing than the yellow of the buttercream. So this definitely will still be the back. Yeah. Which means that will be the top when I do prom, because I want him to read prom. Yeah. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with a toothpick and I'm gonna just write out the word prom so that I can pipe over it. Ah! And I'm gonna use purple. I made the purple, I like barely put any purple in this time because I want it to be like a really light purple. And then that'll just go right across. And I think it's gonna look so good, guys. I'm so excited. And I'm probably gonna mess it up, but it'll be fun.
Elementary school was gone. My life kept going on and on. Middle school, I made new friends. Then I lost them in the end. Why did I grow up so fast? All I think about's the past.
And there it is. Would y'all say yes to me? It looks a little bit like poop right there. But that's okay. Prom? I'm so excited. So now I'm going to check in with you guys on Monday for the actual promposal. Okay, so I'm over by the window because the lighting's good. But he's on his way. Very excited. He lives like almost half an hour away. So, but he said he should be here in honestly less than 10 minutes. Yes! Okay, very excited. I gotta put the GoPro on. Shout out to Billy for lending me his GoPro so I can use it for this. Sean, like that's gonna be the first indication, you know? Like it wouldn't be the weirdest thing for me to just walk up to him with a cake. Like that's not that weird. But the GoPro on my head, that's gonna like give him a clue that something's fishy. Something's not normal in the hood. So I guess I'll go put it on and wait and look out the window and be like, you know, that was me watching to see him drive down the hill. Okay. Do I look pretty? The back got a little messed up in transportation. Wiped up a little bit there. There's a smudge right there. But it's okay because that'll be the back. So I'll walk up to him. I'll be like, prom? So excited! Good sir. Just look at the top.
Oh, yeah. The GoPro was necessary?
I'm making a video for it.
Yeah. Sorry, my reaction was...
That's terrible reaction. Wait, let's do it again.
You can't see it.
No, let's do it again, ready? You can see it. Shh. Okay, ready? Shh. Okay, ready?
Oh my gosh, of course. Like, what do you want from me? It's not like we were gonna go anyway.
Thumbnail.
This is for a YouTube video?
Come on, John. I want to see some better acting than that.
I literally saw you sneak out the door and I was like...
Come back here. Thumbnail.
What do you want me to do?
I don't know.
Shh, keep it going.
You're boring. Guys, he said no. Really sad, disappointing. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And one like equals one punch in the face for Sean for saying no. I'm kidding. He said yes. Anyways, goodbye.